What is going on, everybody? You might notice camera quality is a little funky. That's because I am filming on my GoPro. Today I'm basically gonna be filming a POV drive for you guys, but this time it's gonna be at night. So I don't know, like I'm gonna switch things up with that. I think it would just be cool to switch it up. I'm gonna do this video. It's based on the straight pipe, no cat, no resonator, no muffler, just straight exhaust noise from the engine, which is pretty awesome. It sounds sick. As many of you probably already heard in the previous videos, I'll add a little card up here. Let's get to it. I don't know why we're going 20. This is awful. Like 70-ish miles per hour, and dude, there's absolutely no drone whatsoever. You're probably asking, like, how is that even possible with a straight pipe? And the honest question to that is, I have no idea. Sketchy at night, so I'm not going to push it as hard as I would during the day just because I can't really see, and plus, like, there's a possibility, I'm not saying it will happen, but there is a possibility that deer could cross tracks with me, so I'm going to try to minimize that factor. I'm going to keep that percentage of a chance as low as possible. Looks like we're catching someone, so I gotta slow down just a little bit. So I know I'm gonna get this question, so people are gonna ask me, so do you think it's worth straight piping your car? My honest answer for that is sometimes. For these cars, they're pretty loud. Straight pipe, like no restrictions at all, like Catless downpipe, no resonator, no muffler, nothing like that. It is definitely a little drony, but you can get over it. It's not that big of a deal, especially if you're not doing too many highway miles. It boils down to driving around the city. It really does make the experience 10 times more enjoyable. Look at that thing. windows up section of this video, just in case you're curious. All right, let's do windows up, because I know I'm gonna get asked, how's the drone inside the cabin? Not terrible. It's really not bad. I need to bump the AC a little bit though, because it is still 90 degrees outside, so you know, you could imagine. I'm already sweating. Pretty damn hot. Might actually fold down the seats. Let me do that real quick, because we can get more sound. There we go. And then we just need to push. Oh, you know what? I hope my freaking camera's not in there. God damn it. Where did I? Oh, no, it's not even. Ugh, we're fine. That's the muffler sliding around back there. Be it for this video, you guys. Drop a like, it really helps me out a lot. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see more of this kind of content, just let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do it for you guys, just because doing POVs is super fun. But we'll add a twist to it next time. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.